Hey there! Thanks for joining me on my channel. Oh, it's a pleasure to have you. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my mother's hair. It's her birthday and she wanted a nice hairstyle. She does not like a lot of hair on her head, so I decided to do the knotless twist. This is a very easy hairstyle, easy to do. It is low maintenance. It will last you as long as you want it to last you, and it has absolutely no tension on the root. So stick around, stay with me, and I'll show you how to achieve the knotless twist. For this hairstyle, I'll be using the Afro Kinky braid in the color 1B, which is the closest color to her natural hair color. I'm going to take each lock of hair, fold it into thirds. So I'm folding it into 3 pieces, and then I'm going to cut it accordingly. For each piece, I'm going to take them and I'm going to separate them into 3 smaller pieces. Now, the first thing to do a knotless twist is to start twisting the natural hair. If you know not how to twist natural hair, kindly look in the description box below where I'll leave a link to a video which I had done on how to twist natural hair. Now, I started off twisting the natural hair, and after about 4 or 5 twists, I'm going to take the center of the extension, place it between the 2 strands of hair that I have, and I'm going to start twisting the extension onto the natural hair. Just 1 twist. I only repeated it for you to see what I'm actually doing. 1 twist is enough, and then you continue twisting as you were doing before. Now, if you want the hair to be thicker, you will have to add as you go along small pieces to build the thickness of the hair, but you cannot put a lot of hair at once. I'm going to show you the result of that further down in the video. Now I'm going to extend the hair a little bit more, so I'm going to twist the same way I did the first part. Don't worry, I'm going to do this 2 more times for you to see in the video. Also, I'm going to show you what will happen if you add too much hair at once. So continue watching. Hey, you're still here with me. I'm grateful for that. I'm going to slow the video down for those who may have had problems understanding what I did. So here goes. I take the extension, I tuck it as close as possible to the last twist. And then I twist it once. Now I'm repeating this because I really want you to get it. So I'm doing this 3 times for you, but generally I twist it once like that, and then I move it across to the other hand, and I'm going to do the same thing for this side and continue the twist down. It's easy, isn't it? On this twist, I'll be showing you what will happen if you add too much braid at once to your natural hair. You're going to see a bulk and you will not like it. It's going to be quite obvious that you added something to your hair. So if you want to have thicker hair, you have to gradually add small portions of braid to your twist. So this is what will happen if you add too much hair at once. It's gonna be obvious that you added something to your hair, and it's gonna look way off, unless you want to do your entire head like that and give it a name, because you know, nowadays anything works. But if you want it to look flawless and appear as though it's your natural hair, I'd advise you to just add small portions of hair as you go along. I am at the end of this hairstyle, the last twist to be exact. And I'm just gonna add the hair as I did previously. This hairstyle is easy to do, as I had mentioned before, and it is suitable for just about anyone, old people, young people, even small children, because there's no tension on the scalp whatsoever. So you know, some people are tender-headed and so they cannot wear braids and they really want to wear braids. You can try this in their hair and let them feel comfortable wearing braids, especially if your hair is short and you'd want to give it a break, pull it up in a ponytail, not necessarily have a lot of hair on your head. You could just use one pack of yaman and extend your hair, and it would look cute and natural and just good. It would look good. Now, as you can see, the hair has a little flyaway there, here and there, so I'm going to get my scissors and I'm going to trim it up. And the next step, yes, I'm going to hold each and every one of them and I'm going to trim them up. I went through them one by one and I trimmed them, and then I am going to add some curls using the perm rods. You know, mommy was going to church the following day, and so I wanted her to look extra cute, so I added some curls to her hair. You're going to be seeing the result in the next clip, so stay with me. You have stayed with me thus far. So, okay, this is hot water. If you're going to use this, please ask for help. Don't do this on your own. If you're not a pro, do not even do this at home, because I have seen where others have tried and they have scalded themselves. So ask for help to do this. What you do is dip the hair in boiling hot water for about 30 seconds or so, and then you remove it and dry it with a towel. After the hair is like maybe a minute out of it, you can take out of the hot water, you can take off the rods and just trim away the strings from the end. So that's what I'm going to do. The next step, you can just oil the scalp with whatever essential oils you have and put on your silk cap, go to bed, or go wherever you want to go, and that is going to give you a very natural and beautiful hairstyle. Now you don't have to curl the ends of your hair. If you want it to look even more natural, you can wear it as is. Now this is my lovely mommy, and this is her hairstyle. Very light, very natural, and it is so nice. So thanks again for watching. I really appreciate your presence. I really appreciate you watching all of this video. You can continue watching if you have not seen my other videos, and share and subscribe if you have not done so yet. Thanks a lot for sticking out to the end of this video. Bye.